Please feel free to subscribe my channel. 3 cups murmura. Dry roast for 2 to